Who was the first person to walk on the moon? The answer is Neil Armstrong. Who is credited with inventing the first practical telephone? The answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Who wrote the famous tragedy Hamlet? The answer is William Shakespeare. Who invented the movable type printing press in Europe? The answer is Johannes Gutenberg. Who was the first human to travel into outer space? The answer is Yuri Gagarin. Who was the first woman in space? The answer is Valentina Tereshkova. Who were the brothers credited with the first successful airplane flight? The answer is the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur. Who developed the theory of relativity? The answer is Albert Einstein. Who, along with Tenzing Norgay, was the first to reach the summit of Mount Everest? The answer is Edmund Hillary.